Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. In this series, we are discussing CGL mains questions from previous years. We'll be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So, let's start our session. Our first question is: a shopkeeper marks an article at such a price that after giving a discount of 12.5% on the mark price, he still earn a profit of 15%. If the cost price of the article is rupees 385, then sum of the mark price and selling price of the article is. Here, this discount is on this mark price. So take mark price and sell price ratio. After giving a discount on this mark price, he's selling it. So this is sell price. 25% means 1 by 4. Then 12.5% means half of it, that is 1 by 8. This is discount. Minus 1 by 8 means if 8 part is the mark price, 1 part is the discount. So 8 minus 1, 7 part is the selling price. He still earn a profit of 15% means profit means cost price and sell price ratio. Here I will take sell price and cost price ratio. Then I can cancel the sell price here. Then I will get mark price and cost price ratio from it. Here 15% profit means if 100 rupees is the cost price, then 100 plus 15, 115 rupees is the selling price. 5 goes 20 times in 100, 23 times in 115. 4 goes 2 times in 8, 4 goes 5 times in 20. 7 into 5 is 35 and 2 into 23 is 46. That is mark price and cost price ratio is 46 is to 35. Here cost price is already given, which is 385. So 35 part is 385 means 35 goes 1 time in 38 and again 1 time in 35. 35 into 11 is 385 means 46 into 11 is the mark price here. 460 plus 46 is 506. So mark price is 506 and cost price is 385. Then 385 plus 15% of 385 is sell price here. That is profit is 15%. 10% of 385 is 38.5. Then 5% is half of it, that is 19.25. If you add, you will get sell price. 385 plus 15 is 400. 400 plus 38 is 438. 438 plus 4 is 442. 442 plus 0.75. So 442.75 is sell price here. Then we need sum of mark price and sell price, which is here is equal to 506 plus 442.75. 506 plus 400 is 906. 906 plus 42 is 948. So remaining 0.75. Option 1 is your answer. A and B together received a total 18,000 for 15 days. A's efficiency in the work was 5 times that of B's. The daily wage of A was. Here A and B together received 18,000 for 15 days. For 1 day, A and B together received 15 goes 1 time in 18, 2 times in 13. So 1200 for 1 day. Now take the efficiency ratio of A and B. Here A is 5 times efficient than B, which means if B's efficiency is 1 unit, A is 5 times efficient than B. That is A's efficiency is 5 unit. Now daily wage of A means here total efficiency of A is 5 unit and total efficiency of A and B is 5 plus 1 6 unit. So A received 5 by 6 of the wage. 5 by 6 of 1 day A and B together received 1200. So 6 goes 200 times in 1200. 5 into 200 is 1000. So A received 1000 for 1 day. Option 4 is your answer. This is A plus B together received 1200 in 1 day. Here x, y and z are given. So find the value of k. Here using formula is a difficult task because x is 32.5, y is 34.6 and z is 30.9. So use digital sum method. Here 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 is digital sum. 6 plus 3, 9 cancel, 4 is digital sum. Here 9 cancel, 3 is digital sum. Now x cube is equal to 1 cube. So digital sum is 1. Y cube is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 6 plus 4 is 10. So digital sum is 1. Now z cube is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. 2 plus 7 is 9 is digital sum. Now minus 3xy means 3 into 1 into 4 into 3. Which is equal to 12 into 3 is 36. 36 means 3 plus 6 is 9 is digital sum. Now this is equal to 0.98k. 9 cancel. So this is 8k. Now 9 and 9 cancel. So 2 by 8 is equal to k. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. So k is equal to 0.25. Digit sum of k is equal to 7 here. 2 plus 5, 7. So check for digit sum 7 in the option. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 is digit sum. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 cancel. 6 is digit sum. Here 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 is digit sum. Here 9 cancel. 2 plus 1 is 3 is digit sum. So option 1 is your answer. Using formula is too difficult here. Here if you want to use formula, you can use this formula. But you can see this is very time consuming method. If sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta is 1 by 7, theta lies in the first quadrant, then the value following is. Here use component and dividend rule. That is, first take the sum of numerator and denominator. Here tan theta cancel, remaining is 2 sec theta. So write it in the numerator. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. Write it here. Now take the subtraction between numerator and denominator. Sec theta cancel. This will become minus 2 tan theta. Here 1 minus 7 is minus 6. 2 goes 4 times in 8, 3 times in 6. Minus minus cancel, 2 cancel. Sec theta by tan theta means 1 by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. This will give you 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is 4 by 3 means sin theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now draw a right angle triangle. If this is theta, sin theta is 3 by 4. So 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 16 minus 9, which is 7. So this side is equal to root 7. Now from this one become cosec theta means reverse of sin theta, which is 4 by 3, and cot square theta. So take tan theta from it. Tan theta is 3 by root 7 means cot theta is root 7 by 3. So cot square theta is root 7 square is 7 and 3 square is 9 divided by 4 by 3 minus 7 by 9. Now this will become here 3 and 9 in denominators of both numerator and denominator. So that will cancel each other. Here LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So 3 goes 3 times in 9. 4 into 3 is 12. Here it is 7. Here 12 minus 7. So this will give you 19 by 5. Option 1 is your answer. A sum of money at simple interest amount to rupees 6,000 in 4 years and to rupees 6,750 in 7 years at the same rate percentage per annum interest. The sum is. Here sum is not given and interest rate is not given. But amount in 4 years is 6,000 and amount in 7 years is 6,750. 7 minus 4 is 3 years and 6,750 minus 6,000 is 750, which means interest earned in 3 years is equal to 750. Then interest earned in 1 year is equal to 750 divided by 3, that is 250. And interest earned in 4 years is equal to 250 into 4, that is 1000 rupees. Here 6,000 means amount in 4 years, which is principal plus interest in 4 years. Here principal is equal to 6,000 minus interest in 4 years is 1000. So which is 5,000. Option 4 is your answer. Here amount in 7 years is equal to principal plus interest in 7 years. The sum of digits of least number which when divided by 36, 72, 80 and 88 leaves the remainder 16, 52, 60 and 68 respectively is. Here consider this least number as x. And if you take the LCM of these divisors, that LCM is completely divisible by these divisors. But this least number when divided with these divisors will give you remainder 16, 52, 60 and 68. So we need a common remainder here. That is 36 minus 16 is 20. Same way 72 minus 52 20. 80 minus 60 is 20. So take the LCM first. LCM of 36, 72, 80, 88. And subtract this common remainder from this LCM. Then you will get the least number. Here LCM of these numbers means take the prime factorization. 9 into 4 is 36. That is 3 square into 2 square. and 72 is 9 into 8, that is 3 square into 2 cube. 80 is 16 into 5, that is 5 into 2 raised to 4, and 88 is 11 into 8, that is 11 into 2 cube. Now LCM means take the highest factor. Here for 2 it is 2 raised to 4, we have 1 5, we have 1 11, and for 3 it is 3 square. So your LCM is equal to 80 into 11, 880, and 3 square is 9. So this will become 9872, 9872 plus 7, 79. So 7920 is LCM. So LCM minus common remainder 20 will give you least number as 7900. Now if you take the sum of digits is equal to 7 plus 9, 16. Option 4 is your answer. Here common remainder means 36 minus 16, 72 minus 52, etc. Here when you divide the 7900 with 36, 72 and 80, you will get remainders as 16, 52, 60, etc. Find the value of expression. Here we have tan theta and cot theta. So if you put the value of theta as 45, that will be easier, but sin 45 and cos 45 are equal, and here we have sec theta and cosec theta. Sec 45 and cosec 45 will give you the same value. So try to put the value of theta as any other value other than 45. I'll take it as 30 degree. So put the value of theta as 30 in this whole expression. Then this will become tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and cot 30 is equal to root 3. Sec 30 means 1 by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now this will become root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 by root 3 into root 3 common denominator. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 is 2. Now root 3 into root 3, 3 cancel. 2 goes 2 times in 4. So this whole expression value is 2 when you put theta as 30 degree. Now check the option. Sec 30 means 2 by root 3. 1 by cos 30 is sec 30. Cosec 30 is 1 by sin 30, which is 2. Cot 30 is root 3 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So you can see option 2 is your answer. A sum of rupees 8400 amounts to rupees 11,046 at 8.75% per annum simple interest in a certain time. What will be the simple interest on a sum of rupees 10,800 at the same rate for the same time? Here rate and time are equal, which means simple interest earned is directly proportional to the principal. That is, here simple interest earned is equal to principal into rate into time. Rate and time are equal for both the case, which means only principal is varying. Then interest earned is directly proportional to principal. That is, interest ratio is directly proportional to the respective principal ratio. Here 8400 amounts to 11,046. So difference between amount and principal will give you interest. So here interest earned is equal to 8400 plus 1600 is 10,000. 1600 plus 1046 is equal to 2646. Now take the principal ratio, which is equal to 8400 and 1800. So here 0 cancel. 12 goes 7 times in 84, 9 times in 108. Here 7 part is given as 2646. Then 1 part is equal to 7 into 3 is 21. Remaining 54. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 56. 7 8s are 56. So 1 part is 378 means 9 part is the interest, second interest earned. Interest earned on the second sum. 9 into 378 is equal to 9872, remaining 7, 9 into 7, 63 plus 7 is equal to 70, remaining 7, 9 into 3, 27 plus 7 is equal to 34. So 3402 is the interest earned on the second sum. Interest earned on the first sum is directly proportional to the principal one. Interest earned on the second sum is directly proportional to the second principal. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 264 cm and its height is 50 cm. The capacity of the vessel in liters is, here volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi contain 22. 22 is a multiple of 11. So check for multiple of 11 in the option. Here all the options contain decimal points, but here all the options are in liters. Always remember 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. Here the given dimensions are in centimeter. So multiply all the options with 1000. Then you can remove this decimal point. 277.2 into 1000 will give you 277200. Here also n digit is 00. Now decimal points gone. Now you can check multiple of 11 in the option. When a number is divisible with 11, its odd place sum and even place sum difference should be 0 or 11. Here odd place sum is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Even place sum is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 9 will give you 0. So this can be our answer. Here 4 plus 7, 11, and here 8 plus 2, 10. 11 minus 10 is 1, not a multiple of 11. Here 6 plus 8, 14, and here 2. So 14 minus 2, not 0 or 11. Here 4 plus 6, 10. Here 7 plus 2, 9. So 10 minus 9, not a multiple of 11. So option 1 is our answer. In this way you can find the answer, or in direct method, here this is the cylinder. And circumference of the cylinder means 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given as 264. Then pi r is equal to 132. And here volume of cylinder is pi r square, which means pi r is 132 and r is equal to 132 by pi. 132 by pi means 132 by 22. Here 132 into 7 by 22 into height is equal to 50. Now 11 goes 2 times in 22, 12 times in 132. 2 goes 66 times in 132. 12 into 50 is 600. 600 into 66 into 7 is equal to 420 plus 42, 462. So when you multiply, you will get 277200 centimeter cube. When you divide it with 1000, you will get 277.2 liter as your answer. Find the value following. Here bracket order in BODMAS rule is this one. So first solve this bracket. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 divided by 12. Off means into 2 by 9. Now here second solve this division. That is this one. Here most of the people take the sum of this 4 fractions. That is wrong. Take this 1 by 6 divided by these 2 terms. Now take the sum of these 3 terms. Sum of this 3 fraction. Here LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to 12. 2 goes 6 times in 12. 3 goes 4 times in 12. 4 goes 3 times in 12. Now this bracket completed. Remaining is 9 divided by this whole bracket. So this will become 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 by 12 plus 1 by 6 divided by, I'll write it as multiplication. Then here 2 goes 6 times in 12. So 6 into 9 is 54 will be in the numerator and here 5 in the denominator. So 9 divided by, here 6 goes 9 times in 54. 13 by 12 plus 9 by 5. Here 12 and 5 LCM is 60 and 12 goes 5 times in 60. 5 into 13 is 65 and 5 goes 12 times in 60. 12 into 9 is 108. Now this will become 9 divided by, I will write it as into 9 into 60 divided by 108 plus 65 means 165 plus 8 is 173. So 9 into 6 is 540. 540 divided by 173. Option 1 is your answer. A well with inner radius 3 meters is dug 6 meter depth. The soil taken out of it has been spread evenly all around to a width of 2 meter to form an embankment. The height of the embankment is. Here, this is the well you are creating. While creating this well, you have to pour this inside soil to outside of this well. So this pouring soil create an embankment around this well. Now width of the embankment is given as 2 meter and you have to find the height of this embankment. Consider it as H2. Now the soil, inside soil will create an embankment around this well. Now this will be like this. And this is the radius of this well, which is 3 meter, and height of this well is given as 6 meter. Now this is the embankment around this well. The top view of this embankment is like this, like a hollow cylinder. This is the well inside it. Radius of this well is 3 meter and width of this embankment is 2 meter. So when you pour the soil outside from this well, the volume of this well means volume of the cylinder, which is same as the volume of this embankment, that is this volume. So volume of this embankment is same as volume of the well, which means volume of embankment means volume of hollow cylinder is same as volume of cylinder. Now if you substitute the values, volume of hollow cylinder means pi into R1 square minus R2. Here R1 is total 3 plus 2 5 meter and R2 is 3 meter. So volume of hollow cylinder is equal to pi into R1 square is 5 square minus 3 square into height of this hollow cylinder, consider it as H2. We have to find it. Now which is same as volume of cylinder, which is pi R square. Pi into 3 square into H here is equal to 6 meter. Now from this H2 is equal to pi cancel. 9 into 6 is 54 and here 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. So 16 H2 is equal to 54. 2 goes 8 times in 16, 27 times in 54. So H2 is equal to 27 by 8, which is 8 goes 3 times in 24, remaining 3. So 3 into 3 by 8. 3 and 3 by 8. Option 4 is your answer. Volume of hollow cylinder is equal to pi R1 square minus R2 square into H. And here volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Find the value of following expression. Here we have tan square theta and cot square theta in denominator. By checking the option, you can put the value of theta as 45 degree here. So this will become tan square 45 1, cot square 45 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4 is in the denominator. And tan raised to 6 theta become 1, tan square theta 1. Minus sec raised to 6 theta means sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, so sec 45 is equal to root 2. So this will become root 2 raised to 6 plus 3 into root 2 square. 6 square theta, root 2 square here. Now numerator will become 1 minus root 2 raised to 6 means root 2 square is 2. So 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into root 2 square is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. This will become minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 4. When you put the value of theta as 45 degree in the expression, you will get minus 1 by 4 as your answer. So you can eliminate option 1 and 3 because there is no minus in this expressions. So sec square theta means sec 45 is root 2. So root 2 square into root 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. So this is minus 4. We need minus 1 by 4. So option 4 is your answer. Cos square theta means cos square 45 is equal to 1 by 2 and sin square 45 is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 4. You will get minus 1 by 4 as your answer. A trader bought 640 kg of rice. He sold part of rice at 20% profit and rest at 5% loss. He earned a profit of 15% in the entire transaction. What's the ratio of quantity of rice that he sold at a loss of 5% to that of quantity that he sold at a profit of 20%? Here we need ratio of 5% loss to 20% profit. So we can use allegation method here because this 20% profit and 5% loss will give you overall profit of 15%. Two quantities will give you one overall quantity. So you can use allegation here. 5% loss means minus, 5% loss means minus 5 and profit means plus, 20% profit means plus 20. Now these two together give overall profit of 15%. Profit is plus, so 15% profit means plus 15. Now use allegation. Here difference between minus 5 and 15. Here 15 is greater, so 15 minus minus 5 is 20. Now difference between 15 and 20. 20 is greater. 20 minus 15 will give you 5. So 5 goes 4 times in 20 means 1:4 is the ratio of 5% loss to 20% profit. Option 3 is your answer. The given expression is divisible by which of the following number? Here 5 raised to 71 is the least number. So I can take 5 raised to 71 outside from all these 5 terms. That is, all these 5 terms contain 5 raised to 71. I can write 5 raised to 72 as 5 raised to 71 into 5. That is 5 raised to 71 into 5 raised to 1. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. 71 plus 1 is 72. Here bases are same. Same way, here take 5 raised to 71 outside from all these 5 terms. Here 71 plus 1 is 72, 71 plus 2 is 73, 71 plus 3 is 74, 71 plus 4 is 75. That is 5 raised to 71 into 5 raised to 1 is 5 raised to 72, 5 raised to 71 into 5 square is 5 raised to 73. So after taking 5 raised to 71 outside from first term, remaining is 1. In the second term, remaining is 5 raised to 1, that is 5. In the third term, remaining is 5 square, that is 25. In fourth term, remaining is 5 cube, that is 125. In fifth term, remaining is 5 raised to 4, which is 625. Now 5 raised to 71 into 625 plus 25, 650, 650 plus 100, 750, 755 plus 30, 780, 780 plus 1 is 781. So here 781, I can write it as 71 into 171, remaining 71. So 71 into 11 is 781, which means here this whole term is divisible by 5, 71 and 11. So option 1 is your answer. 781 is a multiple of 71 and 11. So whole term is a multiple of 5, 71 and 11. Let x, y, z be fractions such that x less than y less than z. If z is divided by x, result is 5 by 2, which exceeds y by 7 by 4. If x plus y plus z is 1 and 11 by 12, then ratio of z minus x is to y minus x is. Here, z by x is given as 5 by 2. Z by x is given as 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 exceeds y by 7 by 4. 5 by 2 exceeds y by 7 by 4, which means y from here is equal to 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 out of 8 is 3 by 4. So y is 3 by 4 and x plus y plus z is 1 and 11 by 12 means 12 plus 11 is 23. So 23 by 12. From this I can find z plus x. So z plus x value is equal to 23 by 12 minus y. Take 12 as common denominator. This is 23 and here 4 goes 3 times in 12. 3 into 3 is 9. 23 minus 9 means 20 minus 6, which is 14. 14 by 12 means 7 by 6. So z plus x is 7 by 6 means here z by x is given as 5 by 2. Then from this x is equal to, x is 2 part out of total 7 part. So 2 by 7 of total z plus x is x, which means 2 by 7 of z plus x is 7 by 6. So this will become 1 by 3. X is 1 by 3. Then z is equal to, z is 5 part. 5 part out of total z plus x part is 7 part. So 5 by 7 of z plus x is given as 7 by 6 here. Which means here 7 cancel, 5 by 6 is z. Z is 5 by 6. Now xy is to z ratio is equal to x is 1 by 3rd and y is 3 by 4 and z is 5 by 6. Now LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. So multiply it with 12 in each ratio. 3 goes 4 times in 12 and 4 goes 3 times in 12. 3 into 3 is 9 and 6 goes 2 times in 12. 2 into 5 is 10. So 4 is to 9 is to 10 is x is to y is to z. And z minus x means 10 minus 4 and y minus x means 9 minus 4, which is equal to 6 is to 5. So option 1 is your answer. In triangle ABC, D and E are points on side BC and AP respectively such that angle ACB equal to angle DAP. If AB is 12, BE is 5 and BD equal to CD is 1 is to 2, then BC is equal to, here this is triangle ABC and D and D are points on side BC and AB. Now join DE. You got two triangles, one larger triangle and one smaller triangle. And here angle B is common to both the triangles. Also angle ACB equal to angle DEB. ACB equal to angle DEB. Both are equal. Now two angles are equal means the third angle will be also equal for both the triangles. So three angles are equal means triangle ABC, larger triangle ABC is similar to smaller triangle DEB. Here letter representations are important while writing similar triangles. Here B is common, so write it in the middle. And here C is equal to E, so write it at the end. Now remaining is equal to, here A and D are common. A is here, so write D here. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA. And for a similar triangle, ratio of corresponding sides are equal. That is, here AB by DB. AB by DB is equal to BC by BE. BC divided by BE. Now if you substitute the value, you will get BC. Here AB is equal to 12. AB is 12 and BE is 5. BD is to CD is 1 is to 2. So total BC is equal to 3 part. If I take this as 1 part and 2 part, total BC is equal to 3 part. Now substitute the value. AB is 12 and DB is equal to 1 part, which is equal to BC is total 3 part divided by BE is 5. So 3 part square is equal to 60 means 1 part is equal to 20. Part square is equal to 20. Then 1 part is equal to root 20. 20 is equal to 5 into 4, which means here 1 part is equal to 2 root 5. If 1 part is 2 root 5, then BC is equal to 3 part, which is 3 into 2 root 5, that is 6 root 5. Option 3 is your answer. An athlete runs 8 times around a circular field of radius 7 meter in 3 minutes 40 seconds. His speed is, here this is the circular field and radius of the circular field is 7 meter. Now circumference of the circular field is 2 pi r. So this athlete runs 8 times the distance, 8 times the circumference. Now his speed is distance by time. Distance travelled is 8 times 2 pi r. So 8 into 2 pi r divided by time is equal to 3 minutes 40 seconds. 3 into 60, 180. 180 plus 40 is 220 seconds. So 220 seconds. Now 8 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. 7 cancel. 22 cancel. 2 goes 5 times in 10. So 8 by 5 meter per second. 8 by 5 meter per second is equal to 8 by 5 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this will become 80 plus 64 is 144 divided by 25 kilometer per hour. Option 3 is your answer. Three numbers are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. If the difference between greatest number and smallest number is 33, then HCF of three numbers is, here ratio of three numbers are 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Now take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4, which is 12. So multiply each ratio with 12. Now this will give you 2 goes 6 times in 12, 3 goes 4 times in 12, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 goes 3 times in 12, 3 into 3 is 9. So 6 is to 8 is to 9 is the ratio. Now difference between greatest and smallest number here is 33 given in the question. Which means 9 minus 6, 3 part is 33, then 1 part is equal to 11. If 1 part is 11, then HCF is 11 because there is no common factor between 6, 8 and 9. So option 4 is your answer. That is HCF is equal to 11. HCF is 11. And here these numbers are 66, 88 and 99. Here a graph is given, ratio of total production of cement by company A in 2016 and company C in 2018 to the total production of cement by company B in 2017 and 19 is. Here first take the sum of production of company A and C in 2016 and 18. Here this blue graph represent company A, orange represent company B, and grey bar represent company C. So in 2016 and 18, company A produced 280 plus 350, total 500 plus 130, 630 unit. Now next is total production of company B by 2017 and 19. 17 and 19, B produced 200 plus 360, total 560 unit. So take the ratio. 7 goes 9 times in 63, 8 times in 56. 9 is to 8. Option 1 is your answer. The number of students in a class is 45, out of which 33 and 1 by 3 percentage are boys and rest are girls. The average score of girls in science is 66 and 2 by 3 percentage more than that of boys. If the average score of all the students is 78, then average score of girls is, here total number of students are 45, out of which 33 and 1 by 3 percentage are boys means 100 by 3 percentage means 1 by 3rd is the fraction. So 1 by 3rd of total number of students are boys, which means 1 by 3rd of 45 is 15. 15 are boys means remaining 30 are girls. And here 66 and 2 by 3 percentage means 66 into 3 is 198. 198 plus 2 is 200. 200 by 3 percentage means 2 by 3rd is the fraction. Here 2 by 3rd more than boys means plus 2 by 3 is the fraction. That is, here average score of girls in science is 2 by 3rd more than boys means if 3 part is the boys score, then 3 plus 2 5 part is the girls score. Now there are total 15 boys, and for this 15 boys average score in science is 3 part. I'll take it as 3x. And for 30 girls average score in science is 5 part. I'll take it as 5x. And we already know total students are 45 and total students average score in science is 78. Now from this data I'll get a value, and if you equate that value to 78 you will get the answer. Here for simple calculation, take the ratio of the number of students. 15 goes 1 time in 15, 2 times in 30 and 3 times in 45. Even if you calculate it with 15, 30 and 45, you will get the answer. But for simplification, I'll take the ratio. Here, 1 student averages 3x, 2 student averages 5x, then 3 student averages, take common average as 3x. Now, here 5x is 2x more than common average 3x, and this 2x increment in this average is for this 2 student. So increment in sum is equal to 4x plus 4x. So increment in the sum plus 4x should be equally distributed to the total students. So 3x plus 4x by 3 is equal to total average 78, which means 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13x by 3 is 78 means 13 goes 6 times in 78, which means here x is equal to 6 into 3, 18. If x is 16, we need average score of girls. Average score of girls is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 5 into 18. 5 into 18, 90. So option 3 is your answer.